everybody, and welcome back to my channel. As you can tell from the title, today I am going to do a very small Target haul. I went to Target the other day because I had to pick up a few other things, and of course I can never get through Target without stopping in that area where all the $1, $3, $5 stuff is. So I just want to show you guys what I purchased. So let's get started. Sorry if you guys hear like a humming noise in the background. That's my computer for some strange reason. It just always does that since I purchased the darn thing. So anyway, the first thing I picked up, since I bought myself that Keurig for Christmas, I have this ceramic mug with this lid, removable lid, and this hot rubber thingy to protect my hands from when it's really hot in here. And this was $3. I thought it was pretty cool. It was several different ones, but I like this one. It fits me better. And then I got this little decorative thing for Valentine's Day, and this was also $3. So I'm probably going to put that up here somewhere just to make it a little bit festive for me for Valentine's Day. And I know it's just January, but you can never start too early. So I picked up a lot of these little sticker things that were $1. This one says QT, XOXO, yay, LOL, adore you, only you, I like you, love, you're number one, yay, QT, LOL. And they are like felt stickers. So I can use these to give to the little ones in their Valentine's Day treats that I give them. These are also foam stickers, and I'll tell you what I bought the foam stickers for, as well as these. I need to make some more of those paper clips, like those large paper clip reminders that I made last year, so I bought some more of these. As well, I picked up some note cards. It says love notes. I bought these little like fake rhinestone things or plastic rhinestone things. And then, because it's a new year, and if you guys have watched my planning and goal setting and how I stay organized, you know I use composition books and journals. So I needed to get some more stickers, and I found this pack of stickers for $1, and it has 12 sheets in here with different things for like meeting, vacation, workout, deadline. There is another one that has important. It has these little gold like metallic-y stickers to remind me of things, which I totally need. This one has like alphabets, so I can use that. Bills due. And of course all of this was in those front bins. $1 for that 12 sheet pack. Then I got some of this holographic tape. I'm not quite sure what I'm going to use that for yet, but I did buy that. These little socks I thought were so cute for autumn, and I tried my best not to get pink, but for Valentine's Day there's always some pink in it, but the main color is blue and gray, so I think she'll be okay with those. I tried to find some for Kim, but I didn't see any. So the last thing I got was 3 of these, and I'll probably go back and get some more. But I thought this would be cute to do for the kids this year instead of the traditional box of chocolates that I normally buy them. I could put a ton of different things in here, like treats, pencils, stickers. Autumn loves stickers. I could put some little cute squishies in here, anything, and use those foam stickers I bought to customize these for the kids. So I got this color, and I got 2 pink ones, and I wanted some different colors, but you know, of course Valentine's Day they didn't have very many variety of colors, so I'll probably just go back and get some teal ones and just kind of buoy it up for, you know, the boys, because they really don't like pink. I don't think they would care. I don't know. I'm rambling. But that's all I got, guys. That was my very, very small Target haul. So yeah, I think I've done enough rambling. I just feel like this video was really, really short, so I want to give you guys some more information. But that's all I had to give, and I will see you in my next video.